Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in gaming laptops. Today, I'm super stoked to share with you my hands-on experience with the ASUS ROG Strix G18, a beast of a laptop that promises to deliver elite-level gaming performance, stunning visuals, and lightning-fast multitasking. First off, let's talk about the heart of this beast, its processor. The Intel Ultra 9 processor 275HX is what powers this laptop, and it's a real powerhouse. With 24 cores and 24 threads, you're looking at an unprecedented level of processing power that can handle even the most demanding games without breaking a sweat. And get this, with a boost clock frequency of up to 5.4 GHz, you're basically getting a turbocharged engine that can pump out results faster than ever before. But what does that mean for you? Simply put, it means you can play the latest AAA titles at ultra-high resolutions without any lag or slowdowns. And with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, you get real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics that will make your gaming experience feel like a movie. Whether you're dominating in Fortnite or immersed in a cinematic experience, this laptop has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the display. The ROG Nebula Display with 2.5K resolution, 2560 by 1600, blazing 240Hz refresh rate, and lightning-fast 3 milliseconds response time is an absolute stunner. This means you get silky smooth motion, vibrant colors, and incredible clarity that will transport you to a whole new level of gaming immersion. And with 500 nits of peak brightness, you can play for hours on end without worrying about washed-out visuals. But here's the thing, this display isn't just for gaming. With its 16:10 aspect ratio, you'll also get more screen real estate than ever before, making it perfect for streaming, video editing, and even content creation. Whether you're a pro streamer or a creative genius, this laptop has got your back. Next up, let's talk about multitasking, something we all need to do from time to time. With 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, you can juggle multiple browser tabs, heavy games, voice chats, and streaming software with ease. This means lightning-fast boot times, near-instant game loading, and rapid file transfers that will dramatically reduce wait times and maximize your gameplay efficiency. But wait, there's more. This laptop also comes equipped with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for the lowest latency and fastest network speeds, ensuring lag-free online gaming. And with Thunderbolt 4 ports supporting DisplayPort and power delivery, you can set up an external display or connect your peripherals with ease. And speaking of flexibility, this laptop has got it all covered, with customizable RGB lighting effects on its keyboard, full-size ports including HDMI 2.1 and RJ45 LAN, and a robust cooling system that'll keep thermals in check even during marathon gaming sessions. Plus, with Windows 11 Pro, you get advanced security features like BitLocker encryption and enterprise-grade protection. Last but not least, let's talk about accessibility, something we should all prioritize when it comes to our tech. With built-in 1080p FHD IR camera featuring Windows Hello for password-free facial login, you'll be able to log in quickly and securely without any hassle. So what does it all mean? In a nutshell, this laptop is the real deal. It delivers elite-level gaming performance, stunning visuals, and lightning-fast multitasking, making it perfect for serious gamers and content creators alike. And with its impressive specs, robust cooling system, and advanced security features, you can game and work confidently knowing that your laptop has got your back. Want to get your hands on the ASUS ROG Strix G18? Head over to our link in the description below to check out the best price.